Hey guys, Richard Bongiorno of the Bongiorno Law Firm, otherwise known as Roadside Lawyer Rich. So a lot of people asking me, where do you get this name Roadside Lawyer Rich? So I got to explain. When you're a litigation lawyer representing seriously injured victims of an accident, you're always on the run. You're always in court, leaving court, to court, on the way to a client's house, leaving the client's house. A lot of time on the road. This is before you even get to the office and, spend hours and hours doing paperwork. But there's a lot of time on the road. And I'm always thinking about my clients. I'm always thinking about how to advance their interests. How do I get the most money for a particular client for a particular injury? How do I protect them in the best way possible? These thoughts are always on my mind, always when I'm driving. So I figured, what better use of my time than to pull over on the side of the road every time or once in a while when I have these thoughts and just make these videos about certain things that are very important in the accident victim arena. Let's call it that. So that is, there are certain things that you should do after an accident that most people don't know what to do. And most importantly, there are many things that you should not do after an accident. We're going to address as much of that as possible in upcoming videos. But the bottom line is, these thoughts come to me when I'm driving. They're very important, and they're very, very on point. So I figure once in a while I'm going to pull over, and I'm going to make these videos for my clients. There you go. There's the name Roadside Lawyer Rich. We're always busy. We're always on the run. And by the way, speaking of that, I got to go.